Hello, so just a quick video here, just something that one of my clients pointed out. So when he just wants a single part, for the standalone beams, so I just give him a single part. Now I could just give him an assembly, but if he gives single parts to a guy, then he's not going to have that single part. So I either give both or give one. So the problem is, if I go into the defaults, drawing general labeling, you can see here, standalone parts and shop drawings for beams, create only single part. I change the plates sometimes for the embed plates, but the problem is when I go back and pick a standalone beam, and if we go to put it on a drawing, so selected single parts, okay, so if I put this on a beam, or sorry, if I put this on a drawing, let's see, for one, the drawing size is too large. So, but anyway, we can see there's no direction on this. So he doesn't know north, south, east, and west. So let's close that out. I don't want to save that, and let's just go back. I'm just going to check this now while I'm doing it. Selected single parts each ANSI B. So let's check that again. See, it's on the wrong drawing. So go back here, and I'm going to go to our drawing. Sorry, I want to go into drawing processes, not drawing styles. So go into your drawing process manager, single parts, user, sorry, drawing process, single parts selected, ADM selected B. So this is correct. This is correct, although I should have created my own one. So this is a bit of a side note here. So let's just go in. I can see I have, this is the base one, which can be my own drawing, so that's fine. So let's select that. But when we come into the part, we can see it's putting it on a single sheet C. I don't want it on a single sheet C, and I don't want it on that company drawing. Now I'm having issues with these. When I change one, another one is changing. So if I can see, I need to create another single part one here. So let's create a new copy of single part. We'll call it ADM. And if I go back to the other single part, so I'll go back to ANSI B per single part. And that should also be ADM. I'll leave that as ADM. Apply, okay. So this, we could also change this up here. File selector. Alright, so let's see if it works on the second one. So we'll go back and we'll pick another part. So let's see. I'm not sure if these spaces are the same, so let's pick one of these and let's update the defaults. I kind of got a bit sidetracked here, or I've got totally sidetracked. So I'll continue anyway. It might help somebody. So ADM single part, okay. So we can see it's now on the drawing I want it on, so it's on a B sheet and it's on my sheet. So I fixed that. Now we can see that the number, there's no direction given here, right? So that's the CH7. So we either need to delete that, which is probably what I'll do, or you can go into the management tools and you can go to drawing general and you can allow duplicate workshop drawings. We'll just do that for now, and then I'll turn it off again. Back to the drawing. We're going to go into our drawing style, and the drawing style is this one here, ADM Singlepart. This is the one I have it directed to inside in that drawing process. So this is kind of, so if you want to know why it's this one, kind of getting off track a little bit, but it's important. So go back into your drawing processes, and let's go back to that drawing process I used, which was here, and selected Singlepart. Sorry, not that one. Selected Singleparts, this one, and then you come down here to your detailed style map, and we can see down here, if we expand this a little bit, so if it's beam, it's going to go to ADM Singlepart beam front top, so that's where it's directed to. So you can change that to whatever you want. Just make sure these go from one, they work in this order. So a beam that's model roll as a stringer will be sent to this stringer drawn, so that might help you. So this originally was going to be a video about the direction of the beam, but I think it's more of a drawn style, drawn process video, so you can quickly understand how to edit these. So this one here, I should also create a new one. So and we'll just do, alright, so we have a new one there. Okay, now if you go back to the drawing process, I want to put a compass on that, so I'll just go to this drawing. I want to put the compass on the front view. Now you can put it on the other view if you want, so front view, and then just go across the compass position and then do show compass. I don't care if that affects anything else. You might care, to be honest with you, so just be careful what you're doing. Okay, and then go back in. It's going to allow me to duplicate this drawing, so let's go back in and create. Now it's already detailed, so my management tool setting of allow duplicate workshop drawings, I didn't load that properly, I guess. So let's take up here and load. Let's go back to home, and then go back in, select it. Now it's allowing me to do the duplicate drawing, and when I go in here it'll show me two options, and I want to pick the second one, and there should be a compass here, and there is a compass. You can see that there is 4 of these beams. 2 of them are going to be east and 2 of them are going to be west, so he'll need to put 2 levels on one side and 2 on the other. Hope that helps you kind of understand. So that'll show you how to change the prototype. It'll show you how to put the direction in. It'll show you how the drawing style is connected to the drawing process and how to change it. So I think that's quite would have been a useful video for me a couple of years ago. But alright, hope that helps.